What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kyla Latrice. I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I do my edges. So let's just get into the video. Now, I've been using this edge control for a long time. Really love it. Definitely a holy grail. And I love that it comes in a big container because I don't like rebuying shit. So yeah. But yeah, this is my favorite shit right here. This is instant edge control. Even better if you put it in the refrigerator, right? One of my favorites as well got to be glue, the invisible one. Okay, the invisible one. Lasts really good. Absolutely love it. So yeah. But using them together, bomb dot for freaking con. So just gonna take some out here because I'm ready to do my edges. Now the first thing I'm gonna do is add my instant edge control. That's first. Nobody's gonna break me down. Nobody. Oh wait, no, that ain't the song. Nobody's gonna break my stride. Nobody's gonna slow me down. Oh no, I got to keep on moving. Bam, you see? Now I'm using the instant edge control for this. Now this by itself is definitely gonna last, especially if you put it in the refrigerator. But let's say it's a hot day, right? It's a hot summery day and you really just want some extra oomph to your edges, you know what I mean? You don't want to have to worry about them for a while. I'm gonna show y'all what I be doing. Okay, we gonna get y'all together. Well, I'm gonna help you get you together. That's what I'm gonna do. Now, I don't try to do dramatic edges. That's just how I be looking sometimes, you know what I mean? Like, I literally don't be trying to, though. I hate these type of combs. I really do. I don't like using these type of edge brushes. They just piss me off because they don't be doing what I want. I got hoes in different area codes. All right, bam. So now that your edges are done, now you want to add this. Thin layer. I really want to go get a different edge brush, but I know some people still use these. I don't recommend these though. I generally don't like this kind. And the bristles be like way too soft. I need me an edge brush with like hard bristles. I want that shit to feel like a brush. You understand? All right, and now we're gonna put some more. And I like this because it's invisible and it's not gonna flake. It goes on clear, so that way your stuff not flaking. And bam, you add that a little bit. I had to figure out which hand did I put the stuff on. All right. like I said, I really don't like these brushes because the bristles are not hard like I need them. Okay, bam. Okay, bam. So this is what you looking like, okay? Now, I'm lazy, so we're gonna use this to lay our edges down. Bam. All right, and I'll come back to y'all with the final results. I don't really worry about my sideburns because they're gonna stay regardless, honestly. But yeah, all right, y'all. So I did go ahead and steam my hair just to bring back some of that moisture. So yeah, I'm gonna put it in a little bun here and take off my scarf. Show y'all what we're working with. I did put on the scarf because like I said, I steamed my hair, so yeah. And bam. Not moving. Yep. That's how I like it. My baby hairs did get messed up because I decided to steam my hair, but that ain't nothing I can't fix. My sideburns, I'm sorry. My sideburns did get a little messed up because I decided to steam my hair. So, yeah. The steaming part was definitely like last minute, but I was like, you know what? While I'm waiting, let me go ahead and add some moisture back into my hair too. So, yeah, this is my hair. Real cute. Real cute, real cute. I can do so many different styles with it. And I absolutely love it. So your body on my body, baby, baby. It's so cute. Like, for real. So freaking cute. And I can do like minimal styles, like endless styles, have endless fun with it. Really don't have to worry about it. And yeah. And then if y'all wanted to know how I go to bed, I just wear it down. I don't want any tension. I don't like any tension when I go to sleep. I wear it down. And I wear it just like this. Just like this. Sometimes when I wake up, my bonnet be right here. But that's fine because I have satin pillowcases. So it literally don't matter. But yeah. That is how I do my edges. And they gonna last until I do them again. So yeah, y'all, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Kyla Cheese. Make sure you follow me on TikTok. My TikTok is Kyla Cheese 98. And I'll see you on my next video.